like lovers do when lovers do. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dream will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasies, love will bring you back to me. Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when lovers do. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dream will stay. And someday, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Ayan, mega shout out po. Tsa na tayo. Sarap ng tsaa. Ayan.
What's the difference between selling on a marketplace?
Ayan, MLS po sa lahat ng nandyan. Iris Cassandra Vlog, thank you sa mga pa-thumbs up mo. Thank you. Ayan, sa pag-ikot-ikot mo, thank you. Ayan. Pre-retirement days, thank you. Friend Les Sancho, thank you. Ayan, thank you. Mama Jacqueline Rosco, Kurumi Toys Vlog. Ayan, at saka si Ate Mix Vlog, thank you. Ate Nengs Vlog, thank you. Sheila Raquitera, Ann Vergara Francisco, Millie Reyes, Wonder Words, thank you for your shining my live stream today. Les Sancho, Lola Tesmo, Yesya TV, TSD Rocks, thank you. 2000 Mama Dorol, hello, kamusta ka na? Ayan, mega shout out po. Ayan, I having a mint sa minty as well, friend. Masarap yung minty, friend. Meron akong tanim niyan, yung mint. Nilalagay ko sa tea. Masarap din yung parsley with green tea. Ang sarap nun. Alam nyo, nasanay na akong ginagawan ko ng smoothie yung partner ko. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa akin pag ginagawa ko siya ng smoothie. Sometimes I made avocado tea, avocado smoothie. At dahil ngayon uso yung strawberry, ang ginagawa ko strawberry banana smoothie. Ayan. Kaya tuwang-tuwa siya sa akin, guys. Sabi niya sa akin, guys, alam nyo, kagabi sabi niya, uy, 1 month ka, you have only 1 month to run, sabi niya, to go away from me. What will I do? Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos tinignan niya yung isda niya. Ay, sabi niya, please, can you make me comfort? Nakakaawa din siya minsan. Smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause the world brings tears to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you all my love. Love and everlasting words, and I dedicate them all to you. And I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should go to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only words, words are all I have to take your heart away. La, la.